Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're actually going to be putting in the radiator and the starter, since in last video we already completed putting the motor in. Now it's already all mounted up. We got the T-bracket in the back. All the mounts are tight. I do also want to test fit some wheels I got for the hatch, but obviously the hatch is no longer here. They're right over there. I'll probably test fit them in this video too, just to see how they look and see what tire I should run. So for the radiator, I will be running a Skunk 2 Alpha radiator. Let's go ahead and open her up. So cleanly that. Alright, there's the radiator, guys. She's looking good. Put that back in there. And for the hoses, we're just going with some red. Damn. No, I just dropped a new radiator, guys. All right, it's all good. She's good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this shit over here. Ain't no way I just did that, dude. Oh yes, tell me there's a sticker. Oh yeah, we got a new sticker. See, that one's already fading, man. That one's already fading, so we got a new one. I will be running the stock fan shroud and fan if it fits. Hopefully it fits. I'm pretty sure it should fit. It should just bolt right on to this radiator. All right, we're gonna slap the starter in first. We gotta take that tape off. So never mind the starter. We won't do that yet. I'll do that on another note. Unfortunately, my dumbass got the one for the 99 CRV because I got it for a B20. Supposed to get it for the transmission I have. So I messed up right there. But yeah, let's just continue with the radiator and then we'll go ahead and test fit those wheels. Alright guys, we got it installed. Everything's buttoned up. Fan shroud looks good. Radiator looks good. Whew. She looks real good, guys. Just take it in real quick. I still need to get a hose clamp right here, but other than that, yeah, look at that. Alright guys, so here it is. Honestly, the tires aren't too bad, or they're not too fat, so they don't even stick out much. I thought they were gonna stick out, but I guess not. Honestly, I like that gap though. It's just a one finger gap. That's actually not too bad. It's kind of like how I like it. With the other wheels, they were pretty tucked, and these ones are actually pretty heavy. These ones are pretty light. Yeah, I like the way these wheels look. But now I know that I can actually stick to the same size tires these have. I wasn't too sure if they're going to be a good fit or not. They seem like they are. It looks pretty good, pretty good. Could go lower if I wanted to. And actually tuck that tire up in there, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm actually gonna be using these as track wheels since they are, I guess, racing wheels. I'm not too sure what STR, it's STR. I'm not too sure what kind of wheels these are. If you know, let me know down below in the comments. Yeah, I'm not too sure on the specs on the wheel because I do want to track this car. So yeah, I don't know. It's been a minute since I've seen different type of wheels on this car. Shit, I can't stop looking at it. I'm not too sure how I feel. Not too sure how I feel about them. I think I do need to go a little bit lower. Yeah, I think that's the issue. I think I need to go a little bit more lower. Just a tad bit, just a tad bit. I mean, like as you can see on the RSX, tires pretty much almost tug, but not all the way. You get a finger up in there at an angle, so I think I'm gonna go for that kind of fitment on here as well. So yeah, maybe I will tuck the tire just a slight smidge. I don't know. I don't think I can. I think that's pretty. Yeah, I could go a little bit more lower. Cause never mind. I think that's actually pretty good. I feel like with bumps and stuff, I am gonna be hitting. So soon we'll be able to mob this thing around again. You know, I got the shift linkage all nice and tight. Sometimes you just gotta sit in here and just picture how that first drive is just gonna be. Look how dirty it is. I can't wait to actually give this thing a nice little good wash. This thing's so dirty. Just gotta take a little moment. I need to get my shift knob. I need my shift knob. I took this one and put it in the hatch. Now the hatch is gone. Damn, dude, there's spider webs over here. Damn. All right, let's go and wrap this video up, man. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have any thoughts or anything, leave them down below in the comments. And if you guys want to stay tuned for more, because we're almost done. I mean, we still need a little bit more. We still need the computer to at least fire it up, and the injectors and the fuel pump. And we got to drain the fuel out of it. But yeah, I mean, we're not really too far from being complete now. I mean, we're basically a little over halfway done. She's really looking good. If you made it to the end and you like the way it's coming out, subscribe. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.